Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. As it says in the title of the video, today I am going to be teaching you guys how to do a jelly sandwich manicure. A jelly sandwich is basically a manicure where you use a gel base layer and then a regular nail polish, so any color that you desire, and then topping it off with a gel top coat. So just an FYI before we start this video, you are still going to need a gel base coat and top coat, and you're still going to need a UV lamp in order to cure these two coats. In terms of choosing your color for your manicure, you can use any regular nail polish, and we're basically going to sandwich it between the two gel layers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You just watched me clean my nails off with some acetone. This is just basic prep for any gel manicure. If you guys are wondering how to do a gel manicure at home, I do have a whole separate video on that. So if you're wondering about prep or the steps to do before a gel manicure, you can go ahead and watch that video. But I've just cleaned off my nails with acetone and applied a primer on my nails. This is just going to help my base coat stick to my nails better. Once that's all done, we're going to go ahead and jump into the base coat. So this is a gel polish, so you're going to apply this to your nails. Try not to get it on your cuticles or the sides of your nails where the skin is. If you do happen to get some polish on there, you can just go ahead and wipe it off, but make sure you do that before you put your hand in the lamp to cure the polish, because you don't want to cure it onto your skin. So once you're done all 5 fingers, go ahead and stick your hand in your UV lamp for 60 seconds. Once your 60 seconds are up, you're going to pull your hand out and we are going to apply our regular nail polish. I am using this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel line. It does say Miracle Gel on the bottle, but this is not gel polish. This is not a polish that you cure under a lamp. It's just regular nail polish, but they've named their line the Miracle Gel line. I'm going to go ahead and apply one coat to my nails, and as you can see, the first coat is probably going to look sheer depending on what polish you're using. I recommend doing at least 2 coats of whatever nail polish color you choose, just to make it really nice and solid. You don't want it to look streaky or opaque because it takes away from that gel looking effect. I actually ended up going in for a 3rd coat just because of the color that I chose. It's a little bit more sheer, and so I did a total of 3 coats of this polish, but make sure you do your 3 coats and wait for each coat to dry a little bit before you apply the second one, instead of applying a really thick, heavy layer of 1 coat if you're trying to save time, because it is not going to work and it's going to backfire on you. So once you are done painting your nails with this regular polish, you're actually going to have to wait for this polish to completely dry before you can add the top coat. And the reason for this is because if you add a top coat of gel over regular polish before it dries, it actually stays wet between the 2 layers and it starts to wrinkle after a little while. And so you don't end up with this nice, smooth, glossy top coat. You actually end up with nails that have ripples in them and wrinkles in them because you didn't allow your polish to dry underneath. So that is the one downside, I would say, to doing a jelly sandwich manicure, but the upside is that you're not spending lots of money on different colors of gel polish that you probably already own in regular nail polish. So I went ahead and actually let these dry overnight, and I continued my manicure the next day. I personally like it better this way just because it ensures that everything is dry under my top coat. If you don't have time to wait for it to dry for an entire day, then there are some tricks you can do to help speed up the drying process of your regular nail polish. I've seen a few different hacks out there, like soaking your fingers in a bowl full of ice water, or you can sit under a fan for about half an hour, but you really want to make sure that that layer is dry before you add your top coat. Another great situation to use this trick in is if you go to a salon and end up getting a regular manicure with regular nail polish and you want it to last longer, you can actually go home and apply just the gel top coat over your manicure as long as the polish is completely dry. And I'm telling you guys, it makes your manicure last multiple weeks longer than if you were to just leave it as regular nail polish. All right, so it is now the next morning and I want to just go ahead and finish off my manicure. So all I'm gonna do is take my Sally Hansen gel top coat and we're gonna go ahead and start painting over our regular nail polish. Make sure you are not touching your cuticle with this gel polish or the skin on the sides of your nail. Again, just like the base coat, if you happen to get the polish on your skin, make sure you wipe it off before you put your hand under the lamp. The new thing that we're going to do with the top coat that we didn't do with the base coat is we are going to cap the free edge of our nail. So the free edge is the tip of your nail where you would trim your nail, and you're going to make sure that you get your top coat over the edge of your nail. So you're basically sealing that free edge where you trim your nail. And then you also want to build a little bit of polish just at the tip of your nail on top of your nail, and it's just going to reinforce that edge so that when you're doing your chores and you're cleaning and your work, it's not going to chip as easy because you have that extra polish at the edge of your nail, and it's basically just like reinforcement. So you can see me doing that on my nails here. When I get to the third finger, I am going to do a little bit of a close-up, as you guys can see. So this is how you cap the free edge. You're just going to take the brush from your polish and dab it along that edge where you trim your nail. And this, you guys, is a great trick. It's what they do at the nail salons. It's called capping your free edge, but I feel like a lot of people don't do this at home, so I wanted to emphasize it for this video. So once you're done applying the top coat to all 5 fingers, you are going to go ahead and put your hand in the lamp and cure that top coat for 60 seconds. Alright, so once your nails are done being cured for 60 seconds, remove them from the lamp and take a look. This is what your nails should look like, nice and smooth and glossy. So there's one step left, which is to clean off that sticky layer from your top coat. So grab a cotton ball with some rubbing alcohol, or in my case, I'm using hand sanitizer, and go ahead and just wipe off your nails. You'll feel a bit of a sticky residue after you cure the top coat. That's totally normal. You just want to go ahead and wipe that off. Once you're done wiping it off, you are all done. I recommend putting some cuticle oil on your cuticles just to hydrate the skin around your nails. It really makes your manicure look clean and polished. So that is all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell notification so that you're actually notified when I upload a new video. If you learned something from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. I would love to get to know each and every one of you, and I reply to all my comments. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!